Another absolutely amazing four-wheel drive. This is a BMW X5 in the mineral white, which is a metallic white, 2022, 72 registration with only 11,000 miles on. Now this was a 30D M Sport, which is a 3-litre diesel, cracking SUV, but with BMWs, especially the X products, X5s, X3s, although they have ground clearance and they are a big SUV, they're designed and built so they drive like a normal car, so there's no wobble, it just feels solid on and off the road. Now this is a tremendous car because of the specification. The M Sport gives you a great deal to start off with, but then this one has the M Sport Pro package, which is all the dechroming and all the black inserts really around the car. You've then got Tech Pack as well. This car's also got the electric deployable tow bar, and it has the upgraded 21-inch diamond cut alloy wheels. But let's start with the front because it has a beautiful look to it. It looks sporty and easy on the eye. LED style daytime running lights, and you have the BMW LED headlights. So aesthetically that looks good, but it's a safety thing as well. So when you're driving through the days, oncoming traffic can see you as well, and that's what the LED daytime running lights do. Going back to the black sections, that's the kidney grills on the front, the inserts on the M Sport bumpers, and also the insert in the midsection. The M Sport bumpers are more refined. You can see with the flares, looks a bit more sportier. Front rear parking sensors with parallel park assist. You've then got them 21-inch wheels. I talk about wheels all the time because I think when you're buying a car of any kind, someone like me who enjoys a good set of wheels, 21-inch wheels, good size, diamond cut, and then you've got that lovely dark grey on the insert. But again, there's no curb damage, no corrosion. If you watch our videos and you see what we sell, we are very particular. Yes, it is a used car, and yes, it has got 11,000 miles on. You might see a single stone tip or two. But to buy a used car with literally squared wheels, for me, that's not a good retail car. It hasn't been looked after, and it hasn't been presented very well. So we are very particular in what we retail. And if you were to buy this car and come and collect it in 3 days' time, you can see be very pleased with the condition of the wheels and the tyres. You've also got the brake calipers finished in blue, air breathers finished in black, and you've got M badging all the way around the car. The high shadow line window surrounds are finished in black, and the roof rails. Sun protection glass, and look at this beautiful interior. So the first thing you'll notice is that lovely ambient lighting, starting off at the door cards, centre dash, the centre tunnel, and then you've got things like the full multifunction steering wheel. This car also has air suspension, Harman Kardon sound system. You've then got more leather on the door cards and the lighting that continues. The M entry kick plate, fully fitted matte velour front and rear, more leather on the top dash, touchscreen media system with navigation, DB digital radio, Bluetooth, heated seats, dual zone climate control. The numbers 1 to 8 down here, if you look on the screen, are what you call shortcut buttons, so you can save radio stations, phone numbers, navigation destinations. You can literally assign 8 different shortcuts there. Twin cup holders, and you've also got 2 keys with the emergency key, which is hidden within the key itself. Wireless charging pad on the left hand side, USB 12-volt socket, and then you have the iDrive system with the touchpad in the middle. You've then got the shortcuts for media, map, navigation, etc. There's the air suspension button, the different drive modes, which starts at Sport, Comfort, Eco, Pro, automatic hold and parking brake, centre armrest which splits in 2, and there's more cubbyhole space in there with the USC. A good sized glove box with all the manuals just here. But the leather's nice and comfortable, very luxurious, and the adjustments are here. That's for the base, that's for the back, and that is for your lumbar support just there, just to nip your kidney, so you get that nice sporty feeling even in an SUV. As you can see, there was loads of legroom and headroom in the front, but that same space continues around the back. So as a rear passenger, you've got tons of knee room and sort of leg room. There's pockets everywhere, heaters are on the back. Because it's an SUV with ground clearance, you'll notice how I just sort of swooped over this side without too much struggle, because the centre tunnel is lower. It's not raised like most saloon cars. So 3 passengers in the back can sit here comfortably and be very happy. You've also got the M seat belts there with the stitching, ISOFIX attachments, which are just here. And then you've got the centrepiece that comes down, which creates 2 more cup holders and a cubbyhole space there as well. Every passenger gets a headrest, even the middle one just there. But this is a beautiful space, under manufacturer's warranty with BMW, more than enough miles per gallon, and you've got a massive boot. Round the back, here's your detachable electric deployable tow bar, which comes in and out by a flick of a button. You've also got M Sport rear bumpers, the split tailgate, and you've got a massive boot. Them seats go down, the tonneau cover, which stretches across to hide your valuables. Underneath here, you have more cubbyhole space, and the button for the tow bar is just there. It's literally one button, and it falls away. It's ideal, because when you're not using it, it's out of sight, out of mind. But when you are using it, you just press a button. You've also got the black chrome exhaust fascias there, which looks superb against the mineral white. Puddle light, welcome lights, call it what you want. Electric windows and mirrors with electric folding mirrors, which is that one. Memory set seat for the driver. And then over here, you've got push button start. Heads-up display for me is a massive thing to have in any car. Just there. You've then got the full multifunctional steering wheel, paddle shift, automatic headlights, automatic window wipers, the professional digital dashboard there where the navigation is displayed in the middle, what radio station you're on, and the rev counter. Put it into reverse, your reversing camera kicks in straight away in high definition. You have got the guidelines. If you don't like what you see, you can remove them lines. Reversing assistant as well, so it memorizes the way you drove into a car park spot. Put it in reverse and it drives you out of that spot. It really is fascinating. The engine sound is beautiful. The Newton meters of torque on the 3-litre BMW diesel is very impressive. The miles per gallon. It's just a great combination in a fabulous colour, 11,000 miles with a beautiful specification. My name's Joe. My name and number's on the screen. Give me a call, drop me a text or a WhatsApp. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.